Hi my little shardies, welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Art Online. As you guys might have already figured out from the picture you see on your screen, today's video is going to be a Colorit coloring haul. I have never purchased anything Colorit, so I wanted to go ahead and pick up their gel pens and one of their Colorit coloring books. So I'm going to go over what is in this box, and then I'll go over and do a flip through of the Colorit Mandalas Volume 3 book that I purchased so you can see exactly what you would be getting. Give me 1 second to go ahead and open up this box. Alright, so what's in this box is the original gel pen set. It is the travel case with 24 glitter, 12 metallic, and 12 neon pens, and then it has a box of the ink refills. And also, you get the glitter gel pen set, which is the brand new travel case with 48 new glitter colors, and the box of glitter ink refills. The ballpoint size on that set is 1.0 millimeters. This looks so nice, guys. I wasn't really expecting this. Oh, check it out. Look at the glitter. Sorry, I have a thing with glitter. Look at the glitter on that case. That is really cool. And these are the refills, so I'm going to go ahead and put these aside here. So this is the 48 glitter ink refills. And this is the regular gel pen refills. And then I guess it gave you some cards to go ahead and try it out. Oh, I like that. It's got the list of colors on the back. Alright everyone, let's check out this first case here. I'm so glad they came in a case. The few gel pens I have are kind of running around and I don't have a case for them. So I love the fact that they come in a case. Oh, they're very pretty. So I've seen so many people color with gel pens, and I've always wanted to, but the gel pen bug has never got me, because when I have colored with gel pens, I don't like the way they feel. That said, I went ahead and picked up some Sparkle Pops this month and fell in love with them, so then I had to try out some other gel pens. I realized that maybe I was judging all gel pens by the few ones that I had picked up previously. That said, I always use gel pens for my highlighting and stuff. I mean, there are some that I use, but I haven't used them in general for full-on coloring a picture. So I went ahead and purchased these with the thought of maybe actually using them to color an entire picture just with gel pens. I love to shade and layer, and I wasn't sure you could do that or how to do that with gel pens, and I watched somebody else's video and I saw some tricks on how to shade with them, so I'm super excited to go ahead and give these a try. So they are gorgeous and they are well packaged, and I can tell that these are your glitter ones here, your metallic ones here, and your neon ones here. Alright, I'm really excited about these because I love the case, so already I'm sold just on the case. That case is absolutely beautiful. And here you go with the new 48 glitter pens. I really love them. I love all the reds and oranges. This is a really good selection of gel pens. What I like about these that I haven't found in my other gel pens is that each one has a label on it and a color name. This is so hard to find for me in gel pens. So the fact that they have a color name and number on them is very exciting to me. I know that probably sounds like a really small thing, but for me that's huge, because when I'm using a pen I want to know which pen I'm using because I like certain colors and I want to make sure that I can go back and find it easily. Plus, when I go ahead and swatch these, I'll know that the corresponding number is to what I'm swatching. So if you have a favorite gel pen, please let me know what it is. Again, I've heard wonderful things about the Colorit ones, so I wanted to go ahead and pick those up. But if there's another brand you like that's really smooth, please let me know. I'll go ahead and pick them up and do a review on this channel. So cute, guys. Totally love this. Now I want to go ahead and open one of these refill packs. I probably won't open them both. I just want to open one and see if the names are on them so that it's easy to figure out which pen I'm trying to refill or not. Again, with the set I got my son, wasn't a Colorit set, it was a random set. I won't say the name of it. I did not like them, and you had no way of knowing which color went to which pen. Oh, and you do. Look how clearly the numbers are marked. So I'm super excited about these. I think it's going to be really easy to know which refill goes with which pen. Everything's packaged really nice. That must be the neon set, the metallic set, and the glitter set. Really, really, really nice. Love the way it's packaged. And then in the box you also received this card to go ahead and practice with, or color on, test your pens out on. It's got two little postcards to color on, and again, the list of all the colors. If you don't have a swatch book yet, you could probably go ahead next to each color and put your swatch on there. And again, you get two postcards to go ahead and practice with, and your 48 glitter gel pen color list. Alright everyone, this is the 50 original hand-drawn design mandalas, volume 3 by Colorit. I'm excited about this book because, again, I got the gel pens and I wanted to go ahead and try it out on their own paper. There are so many great reviews on this book online, so I went ahead and picked it up. It's got 50 original mandalas in here. It's a pretty thick book. It came very nicely packaged. I love the fact that it had its own cellophane on the book, so it wasn't damaged in any way. I like the fact that it's spiral bound and one page, so if you're like, you know, sitting somewhere, you're not at a desk, you can just flip it over to whatever you want to color, and it's got its own little backing on it. It's not flimsy in any way, shape, or form, so I really, really, really like that about this book so far. I can do a quick flip through for you. Alright, and this is just saying to use this page to prevent ink bleeding and preserve your artwork. So it wants you to tear it out and put it behind each of the pages you're coloring to collect excess water, pen, or marker bleeding. See, this is why I bought this book, because the mandalas are way different than some of the other books that I have, and I really like them. And again, you don't have to use the gel pens in this book. You can use any medium you wish. But I purchased this book because I bought the Colorit gel pens, so I wanted to go ahead and see how the gel pens acted in this book on their own paper. Paper is really good quality. Each of the pages are perforated, so you can pull them out, hang up your work if you want. I love this image. It's one of my favorites so far. Oh, love this image too. If you guys have any other Colorit books, which one is your favorite? I would like to know. Please sound off in the comments below. Look at that. These are gorgeous. Love that one too. I'm really excited over this book. I like the fact that it has some traditional mandalas in it, and then it's got some really unique ones, so some unique shapes. I really like that it's not like all the same thing. There's a good variety in here. You know, if you like ones that are heavily patterned, they have those in here. If you like them super intricate like this, they have those in there. And if you like something a little different, here you go. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. Love this one too. I love that one. I like the more unique ones, I think. This one's pretty cool. Love this one. Love this one. I mean, I could just sit here all day as I'm flipping these going, I love this one, I love this one. Again, I like the fact that you have so many different kinds of mandalas in here. They're not the same ones. Like, it's the fire one. This one looks really, really cool. This one looks very, very intricate. This one would probably be a really good one to do with gel pens, or maybe even polychromos, or something with a harder lead if you have it in the smaller spots. Really like that one. Alright everyone, that is the 50 original hand-drawn design mandalas by Colorit. I'm excited to use these gel pens and see what I can come up with. So please watch them in a future video and we'll see what we can do with that. Alright guys, I think I'm going to do a quick swatch directly on the Colorit swatch here and see what I think about these pens. Okay, so this is C001 Radiant Red. It is very, very smooth. I like it. And shiny. Alright guys, there is the color swatching from the Colorit 48 gel pen. These are the original colors. So you have all your glitter ones here, then your metallics, and then down here are your neons. They, from what I can tell so far, lay down really smoothly. I like them a lot. If there are any colorists out there that are using the gel pens, please tell me what your favorites are. I like a nice smooth gel pen where I don't have to worry about the ink clogging up in them, and I have found that very hard to find, but I definitely like these. All right, let me swatch out the glitter ones. And not to put too fine of a point on it, I know I've said it several times, but I would have bought these just for this case. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Alright everyone, I just got done swatching the new set of the 48 glitter gel pen color list. So here are what the colors look like. And if you notice, I have little lines under certain colors. The reason why is because they didn't lay down so well. There's a lot of skipping. I don't know if you can see on this C290. I don't know if I'm going to be able to bring it up, but it's like missing spots. I had to go over them. I had to really had to try to get the pen to work, and then they were really scratchy. Like, I don't know if you can see, the camera's kind of like fading it out a little bit. The colors are really pretty, but on those particular colors, seems to be the lighter ones and mainly the yellows, they didn't lay down so well. So I was actually kind of surprised because it's a totally different feel for those pens than the rest of the pens in the set. So I was a little disappointed by that, but overall the colors are gorgeous and most of the pens are smooth, but just some of them were not so good. So, I mean, I have the extra inserts that I can put in them because maybe it's just there's something wrong with those pens, but I mean, I don't know if you can tell, like down here. I was having quite a bit of trouble with a couple of those pens. I had to really press hard, like it was weird compared to the other ones. So, but overall the colors are gorgeous, absolutely love them. Very disappointed in the ones that are not working correctly. I don't know if I got a bad set or what's going on. Completely different feel for those pens than even the first set that I swatched out, or even with the pens within the set. Some of them came out absolutely beautiful. This C250 I believe. Yeah, I believe that one was so nice to color with. Like, it was really, really weird how the pens differed through the set as far as how they laid down. So I liked the original set better than these as far as that goes. But again, I don't know if maybe I got a bad set, or if I just put the refills in for those, if they'll color better. But several of them were very scratchy, skipped a lot, and that's just with my little tiny swatch there. So I'm not a big gel pen person, so that's an opinion from somebody who doesn't use gel pens a lot. I don't know if that's, you know, normal for being within one set. Could be the way I was holding the pens. You know, some pens like to be held straight up and some pens to the side, but I color kind of at an angle. I don't usually hold my pen straight up, so it could be that, but I'm gonna have to play with that a little bit more, and then maybe in a future video I'll let you know if my opinion on those particular colors have changed. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Maybe you've seen something you like, need to pick up. Again, if you have a favorite gel pen brand, I would like to know what it is. Please make sure you drop that in the comments box below. If you like what you see here, you want to see more, please hit like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on so you're told each and every time I post a new video. As always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.